Today I'm going to make a salad or lubia as we call it, but basically it's chicken salad. So it's kind of an appetizer and also you can make a sandwich. So for this salad we are going to need 2 full chicken breast, medium-sized chicken breast, 4 medium-sized potatoes, 3 eggs, which I have cooked them already. So the chicken you just cook it with a little water, or you can bake it also. Potatoes you cook, and then the eggs you cook too. And then 1 can of 15-ounce peas. I use the canned one. You can use a fresh one or frozen one, but you have to cook it. I have 1 can of pickled cucumbers, Persian style pickled cucumbers. It's a 15-ounce can, but we can use any kind of pickled cucumber you want. We are gonna need like 2-3 lemons. I'm gonna juice them. Some olive oil and about a cup or so of mayo, and also some lettuce and tomatoes if you want to make sandwich. So let's start chopping. So we're gonna start chopping like this. Just kind of rough chop the chicken breast. I'll chop the potatoes too. The eggs the same way. I'll chop the pickles. Okay, I chopped all the ingredients: chicken, potatoes, eggs, and cucumber. I'm gonna add my green peas, and also I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. Okay, and I'm going to add like 1/4 cup of olive oil. If we need more, we can add later. And I'm going to add almost like a cup of mayo. But like I said, if we need more, we can add later. This is like a 1 cup mayo. And like a generous pinch of salt, like almost 1 teaspoon salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and just fold this. And also I remembered, if you it would be great if you could watch the video, like it and subscribe it, because that's going to help us to have more videos and we we always appreciate your comments and your subscription and your views. So don't forget to watch it and like it. And if you have any comments, don't forget, I always read the comments. Voila, here's our salad Lubia or chicken salad. So either you can have it like this on your table, like as an appetizer or side dish, or you can make a chicken salad sandwich like this, lettuce, and then you put the bread and have some pickles on the side, and this would be perfect lunch. Okay, I'm gonna taste a little. It looks great. I'm sure it tastes very good too. Perfect. And it's gonna taste better, even later. So as I said, please don't forget to watch our video. And if you like it, and if you like our channel, subscribe it. It's gonna give us a lot of motivation and also support. Thank you so much, and we'll see you later. Bye.